Please like and subscribe my channel. Hi friends, welcome to my channel and I am Pankhudi. We all have 24 hours, but we waste a lot of our precious time when we are disorganized in studies as well as in procrastination. In this video, I am going to share most effective ways to stop wasting your precious time. Let's start this video with a very effective tip. The first tip is 2-minute rule. I also follow this tip religiously. Do not postpone a task which needs just 2 minutes to complete it. It just takes 2 minutes to clean your study table after your class. It just takes 2 minutes to make to-do list, etc. We always avoid small tasks and then they pile up and give us stress. So complete small tasks then and there. So follow the 2 minutes rule and be productive. Next tip is set goals. If you want to stop procrastination and don't want to waste time, you need to start setting goals. Goal setting is a scientifically proven habit. All that we do daily are tasks. If we will not set goals or special tasks for the day, week or month, we won't know what to do and we will waste our time. Next tip is to-do list making. It is similar to setting goals. You have to make a list for what to do so that you know how much time is preoccupied and how much time is free. Making to-do list is also a key habit to increase productivity. If you can't understand how to set goals, to-do list can help. They help in prioritizing your daily tasks and setting goals. Making to-do list is also helps in focus. Next tip is track progress. Tracking progress is an easy way of looking at the results of your habits. Suppose if you are a student trying to improve reading, writing, etc., you should start making a list how are you performing every day and what are your improvements in this time period. You also should not quit if you don't see very nice results. As they say, good things take time. So keep going. Next tip is go creative. After tracking progress, you may see that you are still wasting some time. So to also avoid that, get off the bed, switch off the mobile and go creative. Follow hobbies like art, music, etc. This way, you will not only stop wasting time but also utilize the time well. And this habit can also help avoid tech addiction. Sports can also help in physical health. So go and be creative and active. Next tip is alarms and timers. You sometimes promise to yourself that you will watch TV for only 15 minutes, but you lose track of time and realize your mistake after 2 hours. Sounds relatable? Yes. To overcome this issue, you should use alarm or timer. Another case is when you study, you promise you will do your homework in 30 minutes, but finish after hours. So you can set timer and increase productivity. This also keeps you committed to your task and doesn't let your focus dwindle. Next tip is wake up early. A thought we all have when we have a hectic schedule. If we had more time. It turns out we have more time or we will have more time. We can get some extra time by waking up early. This habit can help increase productivity and reduce the hours that we spend lying in bed even when we are awake. Last tip is motivation. After all these tips, the last tip I would like to share is to be motivated. Following these tips like a slave might not show good results. Instead, do it on your own will and be motivated by successful people around. Talk to successful people, take their advice, stick motivational quotes, etc. Be motivated. As they say, life is nothing without motivation. I hope you will like the video. Stay tuned for more interesting videos on my channel. Love you all for your support. तो ये था आज का ज्ञान, न हटाना वीडियो से अपना ध्यान. मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में. थैंक यू. बाय बाय.